In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to batch edit in Photoshop so you can apply the same edits to multiple images automatically. This is perfect if you need to resize dozens of photos, add a watermark to client images, apply color correction to a full shoot, or sharpen product photos for an online store. Instead of editing each image one by one, Photoshop can do the heavy lifting for you. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Let's get started. The key to batch editing in Photoshop is using something called actions combined with the batch processing tool. Think of an action as a recorded set of steps. Photoshop watches what you do once, records it, and then repeats those exact steps on as many images as you want. Step 1 is to record your action. Start by opening any image in Photoshop. It doesn't matter which image you choose. This is just going to be your sample file for recording the edits. Once your image is open, go up to the top menu and click on Window, then select Actions. This will open the Actions panel where all recorded actions are stored. Inside the Actions panel, click the plus icon to create a new action. A small window will pop up asking you to name it. Give it a clear name that describes what it does. For example, batch resize, add watermark, or social media export. Once you've named it, click Record. From this moment on, Photoshop is recording every step you take. Now perform the edits you want applied to all your images. For example, if you want to resize your images, go to Image, then Image Size, and enter your desired dimensions. If you want to adjust brightness or contrast, go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Brightness Contrast, then make your changes. If you need to add a watermark, place your logo file, position it, and adjust the opacity. You can also apply sharpening by going to Filter, Sharpen, and choosing your preferred sharpening method. Every single step you perform is being recorded in order, so take your time and make sure everything is exactly how you want it. When you're done, go back to the Actions panel and click the Stop button. Now your action is saved, and Photoshop remembers every step you just completed. Step 2 is running the batch process. This is where the automation happens. Go to File in the top menu, then hover over Automate and click on Batch. This will open the Batch dialog box where you'll set up how Photoshop processes your images. At the top, you'll see Action Set and Action. Choose the set where your action is stored. Often it's default actions, unless you created a custom set. Then select the specific action you just recorded. Next is the Source section. Choose Folder, then click Choose and select the folder containing all the images you want to edit. Make sure all the images you want processed are inside that one folder. Now move to the Destination section. If you don't want to overwrite your original images, and I highly recommend you don't, choose Folder here as well. Then click Choose and select or create a new folder where the edited images will be saved. This keeps your originals safe and organized. Once everything is set correctly, click OK. Photoshop will now automatically open each image in the selected folder, apply your recorded action step by step, save it to your destination folder, and close it before moving to the next one. You'll see the files processing automatically on your screen. Depending on how many images you have and how complex your edits are, this could take a few seconds or several minutes. And that's it. You've successfully batch edited multiple images in Photoshop. This workflow is incredibly powerful and can save you hours of repetitive work, especially if you regularly process large sets of photos. If this video helped you learn how to batch edit in Photoshop, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.